What is up, guys? We are back officially, as you can tell now. I'm actually on my way home from work. It's been a long day, but I filmed the Monte Carlo update, as you saw by the title of this video. I did a little bit while I was filming, so I didn't really film that part, but yeah, she's coming along good. I didn't sell it, regardless of what people think. Still got it. And, hopefully we'll have her fired up this year. And the goal is to drive Tasha off from our wedding in it. We'll see. Hopefully, if it's running and driving and I don't blow it up, we'll see. But I figured I'd just go ahead and give y'all this video. It's going to be in the Monte Carlo playlist, obviously. And it's hot in here with these windows up, so I'm going to go ahead and get off here. So here it is. Transmission's in. Just tightening the water pump. All right, here's the bracket. But yeah. Got the radiator support in. Water pump, alternator. Getting there. Got the radiator here, brand new. It's gonna go in. Not today, I don't think. Yeah, guys, making slow and steady progress on her. She's coming along though. The issue we're having with this Crossmember, which is the factory one, is we're about this far away from where the transmission needs to mount to it. So, gonna have to weld something. And before y'all say, you need to just buy one from Summit or Jags, this is one from Summit or Jags, and it does not fit either. So, yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Again, I'm filming this part while I'm driving home from work. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We're going to get a lot more content out for y'all. I really appreciate everybody who's stuck with me for the last couple years and this last little break I took. So I just asked that y'all can give me a like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment down below what y'all want to see. Excuse me. We had pizza for lunch and it tasted like it, but it's hot in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get off here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.